I'm a dog, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like,
what's up, everyone? I'm Barbie Cosplay. I am so happy that I am done with this cosplay. I am so happy that I am finished. I am thrilled to have accomplished another notch in my belt with completing a cosplay. But I definitely did have some worrisome, some cons, some problems along the way with figuring out how I wanted to do this cosplay. All I can say is if you are starting out into cosplay, please just research your material, research your fabric, and research the tools that you need to make the job much easier and much more efficient. I did probably like a third of those rules, and of course, and I ran into some problems because I did not do my complete research on this certain type of fabric. However, I did the Nicki Minaj cosplay skin from the Nicki Minaj Call of Duty, and from the Nicki Minaj Call of Duty, like, you know, like she owns it. It was her bundle. So when Nicki Minaj bundle came out, I was like, I have to do this. She looks so fly and so dope, with the pink hair, with the pink everything, and the pink Uzi. So as you can see here, I definitely created the look that I wanted it to perceive when I cosplay. I did everything from the gun to the jewels. I wanted mine to have jewels instead of confetti, little sprinkles of confetti. If you see on Nicki Minaj's gun, I think it's called the Baddest. It has like a little confetti, but I wanted to do some jewels, so you guys can see that. I wanted to do some jewels, and so yeah, I'm gonna take you on this tutorial or whatever you want to call it. I did have some hiccups along the way. I started off with a chrome vinyl fabric, thinking that I can wear that and it's gonna be tight knit and blah blah. No, I don't know what I was thinking. That's not how you do that type of fabric, or that's not how you wear that type of fabric. You're gonna see those bloopers along the way. And I just decided in the end to go with a whole totally different fabric, and the result came out pretty wonderful, as you can see. But like I said, I definitely had some hiccups along the way, and it was fun designing this cosplay, and I'm very happy that I was like the first one to do it. But I love Nicki Minaj. I'm going to get her Pink Friday 2 album. You know, we're both Sagittariuses. We both love pink. We both love Barbie. We are Barbie. But yeah, if you're not following me, follow me, Barbie Cosplay, on Instagram, right here. And yeah, so just check out this, you know, short tutorial if you really want to, you know, do this cosplay. I'm just gonna list the fabrics that I used from my Amazon, and yeah, like I said, I had fun. It got a really great responses online, and I'm very excited about it. That I finished something that I've been wanting to finish. So I have a lot of other more projects, like 4 more projects to finish by November, but this one is finally finished. So enjoy the tutorial. And
guys, I am just simply this is just a quick little video of the gun that I used. But I painted it completely over with the paint that I got from Amazon, and I'm gonna link that down below.
This is the start.
This right here, guys, was the fabric that I used. It was this chrome vinyl fabric that I absolutely it was very pretty. I loved it in the beginning, but it was so difficult to work with. Here I am cutting out the fabric and trying to figure out why it's not measuring right with my thighs. And the front piece was excellent. As you can see, the front part was dope. It was more real to the actual look of her skin. That's why I used this type of fabric in the beginning. I definitely shouldn't have done that. It was really something. It was the fabric really frustrated me, so do not get chrome fabric. Please do not get chrome fabric for this type of the look of it is spot on. Well, here I am. Hi guys. I have my new fabric right here. So I am laying out my outline of my pattern that I already cut, and I'm just doing my back. I did my front, so now I'm just doing my back right here. I'm going to cut out the back of the bodysuit, and just trying to get it perfect. And I just love this pretty fabric here. There you go. I'm just setting up my the fabric. So I got it cut out, guys. Please do not pay attention, to my discolor, my nightgown. It's really, I burnt it in the front, so it's not dirt or anything. However, okay, I cut out my fabric. Here I am, and it is a little rough around the edges, but I am definitely going to smooth those out and make sure that I have some somewhat clean seam lines going on there. So I wanted to make sure that I got the right length for, because I have a short torso, but I have very long legs, and I needed that fit. I needed that fit. I have very long legs, and I have thick thighs as well. So here I am, just getting my front and back pieces together. So I got the cutout of my pattern all cut out and trimmed as neatly as I can do it. And I successfully did that. You did that, girl. Yes, I did. All right, so like I said, this is my back. I'm working with my back right here, the back piece of the jumpsuit. Now this is I got this fabric from Hobby Lobby for $6.99 per yard. So I got 2 yards, so together it was like $14, which I think that was a really good price. This is lame, Lame, Lame. I always call it lame, but it might be just pronounced lame or lame. It's a very delicate fabric. It's mostly shiny. It's always shiny. And what I suggest to anyone that is using this type of fabric, make sure you have a Teflon foot presser. If you're sewing with any type of shiny or silky or very fancy type of fabric, a Teflon sewing foot presser will definitely make your job a little bit more easier. I had some snacks along the way, and a few of my edges of my of the cosplay, it was basically my sewing machine was eating my fabric because my foot presser it's not a Teflon one. So Teflon foot presser is about $6. So here I am, just making sure that I enclose the back. I already hemmed up or did this side of the seam of the pants leg here. And I am using Wonder Clips. I like using Wonder Clips sometimes as opposed to the needles. But I do use both. So, but they tend to be a little bit more. They don't poke me like the needles do. So I am sewing the leg or the side of the jumpsuit right here. And I think this is one of the parts where it just kept snagging. It kept snagging, and it kept eating my fabric because of how fancy and how light and how dainty this fabric is. So like I suggest, guys, if you don't want to be frustrated and you want to get the job done more efficiently, please just get, the correct attachments to your for your fabric and for your sewing machine, so it can make your job much easier and goes by much faster.
Crazy how you gotta wait until it's dark out to see who really with you. Crazy how even when it miss you, shit'll come back around and get you. Crazy like all my niggas. Crazy like all my niggas. Remember I deleted all my other girls' numbers out the phone for you. Remember when you had to take the bar exam I drove in the snow for you. Yeah, you probably don't remember half the shit a nigga did for you. Yeah, you ain't really fuck with me way back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. Hey, you suck right now.
Right here, I have the both sides of the seam lines, the sides of the jumpsuit completed, and this is where I mismeasured. I am cutting off a extra piece of fabric to elongate my waist. I have a short waist, however, I made my waist on the jumpsuit here a little bit shorter than it actually is, so I am just cutting off an extra piece of fabric to elongate the waistline. So here I am starting the top piece of the front of the jumpsuit. I am it's the choker part basically, and I had to hand sew this because this was the part I started to, where my fabric started to be eaten by my sewing machine. This is the belt that I use, the tactical belt, which I got from Amazon. It was an all black tactical belt. However, I used folk art metallic paint in platinum to I wanted a more realistic type of metal, like you know, I wanted to make it look like metal, so I painted it platinum instead of having it all black. Here I am doing my choker. She has a all diamond choker, and I created the choker from the chrome vinyl fabric that I had, the first fabric that I had that was a no-no, but it worked well with the choker. I didn't want to buy a choker, so I did make my own choker, and I am putting all of my rhinestones on one by one. I got these rhinestones from Amazon as well. Everything is from Amazon, and I'm just placing them one by one. This color, these rhinestones, this color is in Princess. This is Princess Pink, I believe. And here is the finished choker. All I have to do left is put the Mod Podge on there to coat the crystals so the crystals won't fall off. There's my Mod Podge. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed the final look. I also created the necklace with the diamonds on it around my neck. And don't forget to just like and subscribe. I'm very happy with the way everything turned out. It's so cute.